Hello! Today we're going to learn about how to create your own Google site. What you first want to do is open your web browser and type up in the search box above sites.google.com. It will take you to this web page. What you want to do then is to sign in using your Google account. I have one, so I'm going to type in my username and password. But if you don't have one, you can sign up for a Google account right down here at Sign Up for Sites. And then you click Sign In. That brings you to this web page. This web page is going to list all of the sites that you have created. If you have not already created a site before, you will be blank down here. However, if you would like to create a site, you click on this button here, Create New Site. And that brings you to this page. Now, you see here that the first option is to choose a template to use. You can choose a blank template, but they also have these other templates, and you can browse the gallery for more. What a template is a preset web page that has specific things pertaining to a different project. For instance, this classroom site, we can preview the template here, and it takes us to this web page. You can see that it has Student of the Month text box, it has a Word of the Week, recent announcement, homework assignments, things like that, meet your teacher. That is very pertinent to a classroom site template, or a web page. If you look here, for instance, family website, we can preview the template there. That takes you to this one. It says, welcome to our family site. You see here that there are family pictures, there's a family calendar right over here, there's family updates right over here. So it's very pertinent to what a family website would look like. It has specific text box and things like that, pertinent to families. But I'm going to choose the classroom site template because I have a classroom. And I'm going to name my site Miss Smith's Classroom. You see below that they finished the URL using that title that I created right here. If you don't want your URL to be that title, you can always change it using that box. Below you see choose a theme. What themes are they determine the color scheme of your web page, the font color, the font that is used, the font size, things like that. Know that you can also change what your theme is once you've already created a website. So I'm just going to leave it as the theme that's set behind this template. Below that, there's a More Options button. There's a site description, and I'm going to say, this website will keep you in the know about what is going on in our classroom. I want to share with everyone in the world. There isn't any mature audience or content, and so I'm going to type in the code and create my site. I obviously typed in the wrong code. However, I have a problem. My URL is not available. Therefore, I need to change it in this box. Let's see. I'm going to put Miss Smith's Fabulous Classroom and see if that's taken. And there you have it. Here is my new web page, complete with Student of the Month, Word of the Week, recent announcement, homework assignments, things like that.